In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to iCloud. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings on your iPhone and then simply tap on your Apple ID. Then simply scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see apps using iCloud, and at the top you can see how many photos are in your iCloud storage, so you can simply manage that and see. As you can see, I have here some apps that are using my iCloud space. So in order to transfer the photos and videos from this specific iPhone, you're gonna have to make sure that photos here at the bottom is enabled. This option is enabled, so you're gonna have to simply tap on sync this iPhone, and basically this will save the video. Now as you can see, this iPhone is storing 49 gigabytes of photos and videos. You currently have 5 of iCloud storage available, so you're gonna have to either delete some photos, or you can simply upgrade to a paid plan. As you can see, if you tap on upgrade, you're gonna have the option to choose any of these. As you can see, 200 gigabytes are like €3 or dollars, so it's pretty cheap. And if you want to store them on your iCloud, I really recommend you to upgrade to a paid plan. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.